So today I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Cash App to your bank account. If you have available balance on your Cash App and you're trying to add it in or transfer it to your bank, let me quickly show you the process. Inside of your Cash App, the first thing you'll need to do is link a bank. So if you have not yet linked a bank to your Cash App, you'll need to do so by tapping on the profile icon on the top right. From your accounts page, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option called Link Banks. You just need to tap on this option. And here it's going to show you all of the banks or cards that you've previously linked. If you've not yet linked any cards or banks, it's going to show you just Link Bank or Link Card. Just tap on the Link Bank option and then add in the credentials to your bank account so that the Cash App is directly linked with your bank. So just tap on the Link Bank option and just tap on continue on the bottom. Now once the link part is completed, what you now need to do is tap on the money section on the bottom left of the screen. From this section, it's going to show you your available balance. Now in order to withdraw it to your bank, you just need to tap on the cash out button, which is on the right hand side. Now you generally have two options. Either you can instantly receive it to your bank, or you can choose the standard route, which is going to take a couple of days. If you choose the instant option, it's going to charge you a fee. If you can wait out a few days, you can choose the standard option. So just tap on what you'd like, select your bank account that has been linked, and your amount will be transferred from your Cash App directly to your bank. So that's all it takes in withdrawing money from your Cash App to your bank. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.